I've never tried Vida Glow, any of Vida Glow products before, so I'm super excited to try out the Clear Advanced Repair. You may have noticed from any previous videos that I've been in, I'm on this constant quest to clear up my skin. I have so many problems with hormonal acne, and I've found tons of products that do a great job of topically treating acne once it's already flared up, but no matter what I do, I still every month can't prevent those breakouts, and I'm hoping that this is what's going to help me with that. It's such a cute bottle. It's going to look so pretty on my dressing table. Oh wow, it's like a capsule in a capsule. So you can see that there is an oil liquid element to it, and then there's a smaller powder capsule inside. So it's really cool to actually see those different ingredients that are going to be put to work.
I'm interested in trying these for a similar reason as I am for the peels. It's the fact that my skin is blemish and acne prone. These are apparently a food supplement, so I'm quite interested to see how that works out and if it will do anything for me. I went through having to use actual pills and injections to try and clear up my face, which it did a little bit. There's still sometimes I get quite bad acne, specifically during like stressful or extremely dry times. So I'm quite excited to see how a food supplement will work out and see what it does and how it will work for me. I have used sort of dietary food supplements, mainly ones to help me sleep, or I have to take lactose intolerance pills as an example. So those are all supplements of some kind, and this is just another one. They are yellow in color. I was expecting them to be quite a bit smaller, not so large. I know it won't most likely get rid of my acne. I've had quite a disappointing time when it comes to that. Its products would work for a while and then they'd stop working and it would just come back. Or something would work extremely effectively, but it would dry out my skin to the point where my lips would start flaking and stuff like that. So I'm hoping that I won't get as many sort of bad side effects as sometimes it does when it comes to dealing with acne. And I'm hoping that it will sort of clear it up a little bit more, but I'm not expecting a full recovery from it.
I wanted to try these capsules because I had the chance to test months ago the Vida Glow Age Defying range, and I found it not amazing but mind-blowing. It worked so well on my skin, and it was the time when my skin felt at its best, very plumped, very hydrated, very like smoothie and all that. And at the same time I've purchased myself the Vida Glow supplements, the collagen supplements, so I've used them both together. And like I said, the results were absolutely amazing for the summer. So I couldn't miss out trying now the capsules for the Clear Advanced Repair. To be fair, I've never struggled with acne, but I do want to see if it's gonna decrease the blackheads and obviously any redness in my skin and all that to make it clear and clarified. I haven't even tried one of these, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna work quite well for my skin. That's how much I've become to trust the brand. I do want that nice complexion where everything is clear and in place when makeup is not there, obviously. They always have these amazing boxes as well. Like they don't open like a box is meant to open, which makes it look so nice and luxurious all the time. Wow, they look amazing. Very nice bottle. I like this mattified glass all the time. I think it looks very nice. Oh wow. Okay, that's very intriguing because you can see, yeah, it's part liquid and part a proper capsule inside mixed together. See, that makes me think now of the collagen supplements that I've taken, like the texture and the way it looks. I can't wait to taste them.